Good day guys, welcome. In this quick video I will demonstrate to you how to make Moody cinematic black and white AI portrait photo using ChatGPT. So this is pretty much going to be very simple. It all depends how deep you want to go into the customization and the prompts you're going to use pretty much. But in general, you just type in the prompt into your ChatGPT, just like that. You can add something like create me. Then you enter the prompt, of course, and after that you can just separate your prompt with a comma and add any customization that you want. And of course, you want to make sure to let the bot understand that you're creating an image. So if you're not inputting that, I recommend doing that. So just type in something like make an image or a photo. For example, you can type in make it clean and beautiful, and you can also add separations and, for example, add a style, something like this, right? And then after that you pretty much just press on this button, and now the ChatGPT, as you can see, will start creating your photos. And of course, make sure to also log in. Let me actually do that. I'm just going to copy my prompt. Okay, skip this, not now. And now let's input the same prompt. And as you can see, it's now asking me to upload a photo of myself so that it generates the AI portrait in the style. So yeah, you can just upload your photo. After you upload, it will basically take your photo as a base, of course include your prompt, and will create a new image. After that, the image will just appear in this chat very easily, and you can then easily tap on the download button. You can of course download any images that you create easily onto your computer and then use for any of your needs. So enjoy guys, you're welcome, like and subscribe, and I will see you very soon in the next video.